Taylor Swift's right-hand man Jack Antonoff has been spotted packing on the PDA with actress Margaret Qualley in New York. Margaret Qualley, 26, and Jack Antonoff, 37, aren't hiding their romance anymore. 2 months after the pair were first spotted kissing in public, they've stepped out in New York City looking very loved up. The musician, who is among Taylor Swift's go-to songwriters, and the daughter of actress Andie MacDowell both cut casual figures as wrapped their arms around each other for an afternoon stroll in Manhattan's Tribeca neighborhood on October 7. Jack, who previously dated Lena Dunham, donned gray jeans and a green graphic tee which he paired with black Nike sneakers and black rimmed glasses. Meanwhile, the Maid actress opted for blue mom jeans, a black and white tee, black sneakers and a crossbody handbag. She held a phone to her ear while wrapping her arm around her beau, pausing for kisses at times. The low-key outing comes after Margaret made headlines for publicly supporting FKA Twigs and her allegations of abuse against their mutual ex-boyfriend, Shia LaBeouf. The actress spoke to Harper's Bazaar about the accusations leveled at Shia, who she once stated, "It was important to me for her to know that I believe her," Margaret said. In December last year, FKA, born Talia DeBrett Barnett, sued the former Disney star for sexual battery, assault and the infliction of emotional distress. He has vehemently denied the allegations. Related gallery. Chrissy Teigen and John Legend and more stars on date night, pics. The Once Upon a Time in Hollywood star didn't make any allegations of her own, but supported the singer. "It was important to me for her to know that I believe her, and it's as simple as that," Margaret told the outlet. She was first linked to Shia in December 2020, however the pair had split by January of 2021. In FKA's lawsuit, she recounted a specific alleged incident just after Valentine's Day 2019 where Shia was driving recklessly while she was in the car. FKA claimed when she begged to be let out of the vehicle, Shia allegedly assaulted her. Hollywood Life obtained the aforementioned court documents. Shia responded to his ex's abuse allegations in an email to the New York Times, which read, "I'm not in any position to tell anyone how my behavior made them feel. I have no excuses for my alcoholism or aggression, only rationalizations. I have been abusive to myself and everyone around me for years. I have a history of hurting the people closest to me. I'm ashamed of that history and am sorry to those I hurt," Shia continued, adding, "There is nothing else I can really say."